Again, most welcome in one and another special episode of one word substitution. Ordinary and dull. Ordinary and dull. This is called mundane. 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 ये एक एडजेक्टिव है, हिंदी में इसे साधारण कहा जाता है. A place where antiques are kept. A place where antiques are kept. This is called म्यूजियम. MUSEUM. म्यूजियम. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे संग्रहालय कहा जाता है. The act of refusing to obey the orders of somebody in authority, especially by soldiers, sailors. This is called mutiny. 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 This is noun. हिंदी में इसे बगावत करना कहा जाता है. Lacking foresight or intellectual insight. Lacking foresight or intellectual insight. This is called myopic. This is called myopic. 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 This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे अदूरदर्शी कहा जाता है. Something that is hidden. Something that is hidden. This is called mystery. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे रहस्य कहा जाता है. Fear of telling lies. Fear of telling lies. This is called mythophobia. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे झूठ बोलने का डर कहा जाता है. A person or thing that has the same name as another. A person or thing that has the same name as another. This is called namesake. This is called namesake. 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 ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे हमनाम कहा जाता है. The habit of admiring yourself too much, especially your appearance. This is called narcissism. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे अहंकार कहा जाता है. A person who admires himself, herself too much, especially his appearance. A person who admires himself, herself too much, especially his appearance. This is called narcissist. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे आत्ममोही कहा जाता है. Connected with the place you were born or a person, animal or plant belonging originally to a place. This is called native. It is called native. NATIV. Native. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे मूल निवासी कहा जाता है. Guide or course of a ship, especially by using instruments or map. Guide the course of a ship, especially by using instruments or map. This is called navigate. 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 This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे मार्ग निर्देशन करना कहा जाता है. Fluid secreted by flowers which is collected by bees for making honey. This is called nectar. This is called nectar. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे पुष्प रस कहा जाता है. So small or unimportant as to be not worth considering. So small or unimportant as to be not worth considering. This is called negligible. Negligible. NEGLIBILE. Sorry. NEGLIGIBLE. Negligible. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे नगण्य कहा जाता है. Sound of horses. Sound of horses. This is called neigh. 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 This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे हिनहिनाहट कहा जाता है. Group of people living together in the same locality. Group of people living together in the same locality. This is called neighborhood. NEIGHBOURHOOD. Hood. ये एक नाउन है, इसको हिंदी में अड़ोस पड़ोस कहा जाता है. Deserved an unavoidable punishment for wrong doing. downfall that satisfies natural justice. This is called nemesis, nemesis, nemesis. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे अपरिहार्य दंड कहा जाता है. A new word coined by an author. A new word coined by an author. This is called neologism. Neologism, neologism, neologism. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे नवनिर्मित शब्द कहा जाता है. A person who has recently started an activity, this is called neophyte. Neophyte, neophyte, neophyte. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे नवसिखिया कहा जाता है. Giving undue favors to one's own kith and kin. Giving undue favors to one's own kith and kin. This is called nepotism. nepotism, nepotism. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे भाई भतीजावाद कहा जाता है. A doctor who studies and treats diseases of nerves. A doctor who studies and treats the diseases of nerves. This is called neurologist. neurologist, neurologist. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे स्नायु विज्ञानी कहा जाता है. The study of nerves. The study of nerves. This is called neurology. neurology, neurology. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे स्नायु विज्ञान कहा जाता है. Scientific study of nervous system and brain. Scientific study of nervous system and brain. This is called neuroscience. This is called neuroscience. neuroscience is neuroscience. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे तंत्रिका विज्ञान कहा जाता है. A hollow space in a wall for a statue or ornament. A hollow space in a wall for a statue or ornament. This is called niche. N-I-C-H-E, niche. This is a noun. दीवार पर छोटी सी गुहा. This is called niche. N-I-C-H-E, niche. This is all about today's special episode of One Word Substitution. Thanks, regards.